I tell you the story. This is why I'm so confused. Let me explain it for a minute. So if you want your love and if you know show stability, but I know when you come in the bed facility, make you come and get ability. Ladies, that's a very good deal. Very good deal from the uptown boy. But you know what I get your boys up? Listen, it's a if you're looking for satisfaction, you know, so you better put if they get right up, make you see find this life like it's so sweet, so make you love it like a melody over here, something. I'm not the love to tell the truth. What to the guys and the two of them. What comes on, isn't it time? What the next one? I'm not the love to tell you the truth. I like to guys on the two of them. So when it's outside, isn't it time? What the next one? I will give it good. Are you having a good time yet? Hey. Take me out. I don't know what you know what I mean, right? To choose between him and you. It's so hard. It might be a loser. It's so confusing. That's why it might be a loser, ladies. One more time. I don't know what to do. To choose between all of my days. It's so confusing. Me might be a loser. It's so confusing. That's why me might be a loser. I let me see you jump. Get up in my bed. Come on. Give me one you want. Put that in your time. Somebody say hello. Somebody say hello. Where my ladies are? Thank you so much. I love you too. Where should we start from today? From the beginning, yeah? Alright. I wouldn't be the king myself without some reggae music. So can we do some reggae music tonight? Alright, let's go! Alright. It was the year. And this was reggae music that I love. Now tonight we're going to flip it up a little bit for you, yeah? Like this. Yeah, let's do this. Such an honor every time I get here and get to perform with my co-woman and the whole staff. Thank you. Alright. Now this used to be my song. Now it's our song tonight. Are you ready to make yourself a boom party tonight? Let's go. Let's try this one more time. Let's go. What a sexy lady. Was such a good year for me. Now, if you've been thinking about dancing, this is the last song we're doing tonight. So, you better get up and dance here. Big up to all of my fans who are out here tonight. Emma Ogik, thank you for coming out. Muziki Tarek, thank you for coming out. Kim Syndicate, Samia, can you present to my viewers? Thank you so much. All of you sexy ladies coming here to dance with me. I see you, I love you. Thank you. Can we go? Yeah! Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Yakubye